I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress site editor. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard and look for the Appearance menu. From there, select Editor to launch the Site Editor interface. This powerful tool provides a unified experience for managing your entire website's design, from headers to footers, all in one place. It's a significant step forward for customizing your site without needing to write any code. Once inside the site editor, you'll find a navigation panel on the left. This allows you to browse and select different templates, like your home page or a specific post layout. You can then click on any block within that template to edit its content, adjust its settings, or even move it around. For elements that appear on many pages, like your site's header or footer, you can edit them as template parts to ensure a consistent look everywhere. The site editor also offers robust global styling options. By clicking the Styles icon, you can define your site's default typography, color palette, and overall layout. This ensures a cohesive design across all your pages. Many themes also provide style variations, allowing you to switch between different pre-designed looks with just a few clicks. For those who need more control, you can even add custom CSS directly within this interface, giving you immense flexibility. After making your desired changes, it's crucial to save your work. The site editor automatically saves drafts, but to make your edits live, simply click the Save button. Before publishing, always take advantage of the preview options to see how your site looks on various devices, including desktop, tablet, and mobile. This ensures your design is responsive and looks great for every visitor. Once you're satisfied, hit Save to update your live site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.